In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your QuickBooks Online company file to QuickBooks. We're going to walk through exporting your data from QuickBooks Online so you can save a clean copy for backup, analysis, or sharing with your accountant. The process is quick once you know where to click, and I'll point out a few settings that make your export more useful. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online company. Make sure you're using an admin-level login so you can access the export tools. If you run into issues later, a quick browser refresh or using a private window can help. And it's best to keep pop-up blockers turned off for this session. Once you're in, look to the top right and select the settings gear icon. This is the hub for company-wide tools. From there, choose Export Data. Depending on your view, it may appear under a Tools section, but the wording is the same. You'll land on the Export Data page, which has two main areas: Reports and Lists. Start with Reports. Choose the date range that matches what you want to export. All dates if you're capturing the entire history, or a specific period like this year to date. Pick the accounting method that matches your books, cash or accrual, so the numbers align with what you see in your reports. You can toggle which reports to include. Most people grab essentials like profit and loss, balance sheet, and general ledger. If you see options to include more detail or additional columns, turn those on when you need deeper analysis later in a spreadsheet. It's easier to remove columns than to re-export because you missed something. Next, review the List section. This is where you include your chart of accounts, customers, vendors, products and services, and other master data. Selecting these gives you a complete snapshot of your setup, which is helpful for cleanup, migration, or audit support. When your adjustments look good, go ahead and export. QuickBooks will compile everything and your browser will download the files, usually as a zip containing one or more spreadsheets. If nothing downloads, check your browser's download tray or allow the site to save files. Save the zip to a clearly named folder, ideally with the company name and date, and store it in a secure location. After saving, open one or two of the spreadsheets to confirm the date range, accounting method, and key columns look right. If anything is off, just go back, tweak the settings, and export again. That's it. Your QuickBooks Online data is now safely exported and ready for review, backup, or sharing with your accounting team.